So guys, for the first step, you need to download the Windows 11 ISO file, which will be down below in the description. Then you want to burn it into a DVD or USB flash drive, and then you can boot your computer off it. And now after you've done that, now you want to restart your computer and go to the boot menu. Depending on your computer manufacturer, it might be different, but in my case, I'm just going to restart my computer and then tap the escape key on my keyboard, which will then take me into the boot menu. For you, it might be different. Now I'm here in the boot menu, and now you want to go down to the boot manager, and now you want to boot from your USB flash drive or from your CD, which will then take us to this screen. And now once we're here, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, and now this will come up. Now once we're here, you want to type in disk part, click on enter, wait for this to load. And now you want to type in list space volume, click on enter again. And now you want to select the drive that has Windows installed on it. I've only got one drive for me, so it's going to be my D drive. The letters are going to be showing right here. To know which one has Windows installed on it, it's most likely going to be the drive with the largest size. I've only got one drive again. You may have multiple drives. Select the one with the largest size, or just the drive that you know has Windows installed on it. So now you're going to type in CD space, and then the drive letter. For me it's going to be D, and then colon, and then click on enter. And now type in exit, click on enter again. And now you want to select that same drive again, so for me it's going to be D colon. So type in your drive letter, and then with a colon, and then click on enter. By the way, from now on, if you see any errors on my screen, it's because I do not have this problem. But in your case, every single command that you type in should be working. If I type in any command and you see an error on my screen, just ignore it and just continue on with all the commands. And now you're going to type in cd space system32, click on enter. And now you're going to type in copy space utilman.exe space utilman1.exe, click on enter again. Now we're going to type in copy space cmd.exe space cmd1.exe, click on enter. And now we're going to type in del space utilman.exe, click on enter. And now we're going to type in rename space cmd.exe space utilman.exe, click on enter again. And now you're going to type in exit. Again, ignore all those errors that came up on my screen, but in your case it should be working. And then once you do that, you just want to close out of this, and then click on yes, wait for this to load. It's going to take us back into Windows. And then once we're back here, you just want to click. Now you're going to click on this accessibility, and then command prompt should come up. On my screen it's not coming up, but in your screen command prompt should come up. Just imagine that I'm on the same screen as you right now, but now we're both in command prompt. And then once we're here, you want to type in control space user passwords 2 and click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to stick to your user account and then click on reset password right here. A box will open up. You can then reset your password and then click on OK. Then it will let you sign into Windows.